Hello everyone, welcome to YCloud. For sales teams, WhatsApp is more than just a messaging app. It's an important channel for customer engagement and conversions. But as customer volume and sales teams grow, managing conversations and improving follow-up efficiency becomes increasingly important. Today, let's look at how sales teams can make better use of YCloud Inbox. YCloud Inbox helps sales teams manage customer conversations more efficiently through assignment, tagging, and customer management capabilities, making the sales workflow more organized and collaborative. For sales managers, the first step is usually setting up a WABA account, assigning phone numbers to sales reps, and inviting team members into Inbox. This helps isolate customer data while allowing centralized conversation management. On top of that, teams can configure assignment rules. New conversations can be automatically routed to specific sales reps, while existing customers can always return to their assigned owner, avoiding duplicate follow-ups. Businesses can also configure welcome messages and auto replies to make first responses more consistent. For phone number naming, using a combination of brand and sales names helps build customer trust. To better organize customers, teams can create shared tags such as high intent, medium intent, or low intent to quickly identify lead quality. Contact attributes can also be used to record notes, requirements, and follow-up details for better customer visibility. If businesses already have existing customer lists, they can bulk import contacts and assign owners directly to specific sales reps. This ensures that each sales rep only sees conversations assigned to them. For sales reps, beyond managing conversations, it's important to make full use of customer details. Recording customer needs, purchase intent, and important context helps provide more personalized communication and recommendations. Instead of waiting for customers to reach out first, sales teams can also use chat links and QR codes to promote WhatsApp conversations across websites, social media, and other channels to generate more leads. Overall, YCloud Inbox is more than just a chat tool. It's a workspace that helps sales teams manage customers, distribute leads, and improve follow-up efficiency. If your team is using WhatsApp for sales and customer communication, YCloud Inbox is definitely worth exploring.